Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian and I'm going to demonstrate the electric start on this HY6250SEi generator. We've put oil in the machine, we've connected the battery and it's got half a tank of fresh unleaded fuel. So the start is here. I'm going to turn it for cold start right down to the bottom, okay? And all I'm going to do is push the start button here. So once it's started, I'm going to turn it to the run fairly quickly. So push the button. It's running and it's turned off. Fairly straightforward. So the start button, it's not going to start, I've got it turned off, is this button here. And it needs to be in run. A little bit of choke. And that's how you start your HY6250SEi generator.